Got him, Marcus! Get it! On it! Let's go, Highlanders!
Good. Back 10 if you're not in, please. Keep going. Keep going. You're good. Everyone on her. Chance to match. I need a hooker, please. There must be a hooker. One person needs someone.
Marker.
Just come right up here on the line. Here. It's between the five. Yep.
1, 22, 3!
Get back! Lay on!
Go, Jenna! Get ready, girls! Let's go! Forward, girls! Don't wait! Get on this side. Oh my goodness. Get it down! Get the ball! Here you go. Yeah. Oh, the rest isn't forward, forward!
Oh, this is heavy. I'm so heavy.
What?
Loose ball. What? Come on, girls. Come on, Highlanders. You got this. Margaret. Come on, guys. You need to drive all the way here to me. Oh, come on. Be a little aggressive. Hustle. You guys got this, Highlanders. Come on, Jess. Come on, girls. Let's go. Let's go. Get the ball, Jenna! Good job! Oh, no, 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 no. No, can't go like that. She can't go like that. That's cheating. Go, Jenna! Come on, girls! He's coming on this side. Let's go, let's go! Come on, Una! Somebody! Come on, Jess! Good job. Come on, Jess! Come on, Highlanders! Come on, Highlanders! You got this! Go, let's go! Right! Good job! Woo! Come on, girls, let's get our game on! You got this. Good job, Highlanders.
You're fine.
Hi, Jess. Co-captain, let's get this. This girl's wound up. We drove 3 hours and a half, girls. Come on. We'll take you to Champs home. That was a good tackle.
No. Get out of other people's way. Yeah, perfect.
Right now it's time.
The other team's from down.
Right on that.
Yeah, that's like this light.
Okay, I hope you stop everything.
Yeah.
Good job! Sorry, Jazz! Come on, Jazz. Get this game on, Jazz.
We're not in the big money. Last week we was
Hey, behind
better.
you.
She's seen it. Let's go, Jeff! Get it!
Hey, help! Get her!
Oh, Marcus, gotta go in. Go in.
We use the 50-meter line as our tunnel. White ball. Come set the line for me, please, White. I need a hooker again, please, Gray.
Let's go, Highlanders!
Let's go.
Come on, girls.
Hold there on that 10-meter line. Thank you. On the 10-meter line.
Florida! 22! Great!
Stay back.
Come on, Mary! Watch out, right there! Drop! Stop.
Go,
Go, Timberwolves! Get one back. Let's go, Timberwolves! Support!
Block! I've never seen a scrum yet.
Mommy, James right there on the ground.
Come on, girls! Run! Market.
Scrum down. Play ball.
Woo! Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, Manly! What's going on?
Go Timberwolves.
Let's go, my clock. Come on, girls.
Come on, Whoa! Ready! Alright!
Go!
Easiest one.
Get a wall, get a wall.
Get on your side, get on your side.
She's touching it, can I go?
Can I go?
Good job, Timberwolves.
Let's go, Highlanders. You got this, girls. Let's go, Jazz. Let's go, Haley.
Oh, maybe I'll see this. Well, they're down there. You want to go say hi to Luna? You want to go say hi to Luna? Alright, we'll do that. We'll take a walk. You okay?
Run, Teddy, you're safe.
Wrap her up, Timberwolves.
Go!
Wrap her up.
Woo! Yeah! Yes! Good job, Highlanders!
I've had it for a while. I'm probably like 4 years ago. I didn't see it on their catalog, so I probably have it.
Good job, Kylie. Good job, girls.
something like that. Yeah, I haven't performed
Let's get that over, Jasmine. Let's go, Captain.
Well, they're the same. They're all right. They scored 15 points.
Not Eastern High School girls have champions.
Yeah, the Blues and
Yes.
some plays after that.
They just come inside. Ryan and somebody's already there making a tackle.
Jump! Woo! Let's go, Jenna! Yeah, I got the cowbell, that's right. I'm that guy.
Come on, Timberwolves!
Wasn't the Mr. Noises? Go, Timberwolves! Hold her down!
I get it. I got it.
Pursue! Don't run around! Don't run around!
She's got it. Riley, you got this! Push, Riley!
Hold her down! Push on the line, out of bounds. Good job, Timberwolves! Ball here, keep it low, please.
Good job, Kylie. Good job. Let's do it again. Come on. Got this, girls.
Guys, pressure number 9 out.
Closer here. Good, Timberwolves! Hey, back up just a little bit.
Back up, girls. Right there.
Iowa, 32! Free!
Push! Push, girls! You got this! Yup!
Let's go, Timberwolves!
Watch your back! Hold, girls!
Support!
Two dogs put against another dog in the field.
Come on, Lydia. Let's go, Islanders! Hey, come over here.
Jump off! Look over! Jump!
Nice, huh? You got this, Olivia!
Hold it on! Good job, Timberwolves!
Come on, get her.
Oh no, come on, let's go, let's go. Gotta pass it up.
Get her low!
Where's she on the other side?
Good job, Timberwolves!
Stop passing! Oh my goodness! Come on, girls, we gotta pass that ball.
Are on the ground, you must let go, then go for the ball again. Back 10, please.
If you guys pass it, it will go right down there.
Go get it, Jimmy!
Get Una.
Get her! Come down.
Come on, Norman. Come on, girls. That?
Go, Timberwolves! Crouch!
You on the other side?
Ready?
Oh, yeah.
Line.
That.
Set!
I found that. Tough out there.
Go, ladies. Stick it in there.
What's up, John boy?
Line!
Nice. That's what I like to hear.
Set!
She wants to like me.
Go, Timberwolves!
You guys are benching it.
Spread out!
Come on, girls, get ready. Rock, rock, rock.